Welcome back to our series all about creating a Wix website for your resort or accommodation business. Today, we are going to be installing the Wix Hotels app and get your rooms up online. Let's get started. If in case you haven't installed Wix Hotels on your site, or if it's not pre-installed when you selected a template, simply go to the app button on the left. On the search bar, type in Wix Hotels. Select Wix Hotels, and this button should say Add to Site. In my case, it says Add Again because it's already been added. Once it's added, relevant pages will be added onto your site, which you can access on the Pages and Menu button on the left, under Wix Hotels. Go to the Book a Room page. Click on this element and select Manage. This dashboard window will open. Click on Start Now. It will ask you for permissions first. If you're okay with them, click on Agree and Add to proceed. Click on Go to Dashboard. What type of property do you have? Input your property name over here, and then click on this drop-down and select the property type you're offering. Then click on Next. By the way, if you haven't upgraded your website to a premium plan yet, Wix will offer you to upgrade it. So go ahead and do so because upgrading to a premium plan is necessary in order for you to be able to process transactions. But not only that, you'll also be able to enjoy premium features and add a domain to your site, which will make your site more professional. All right, once you go through that page, you can now start creating a room. So click on Start Creating Room. Select the kind of room that you offer. Input additional details, including the room's display name, the adult capacity, the number of rooms, the total capacity including children, and the revenue accounts. Make sure to review everything as well to avoid any mistakes. Now, let's talk about pricing. So input your base price per night. Also set your base price for what occupancy. Next, let's talk about amenities. Select the available amenities you have. Select everything that applies to you. Once you're done, review all of your selected amenities, see if you haven't missed anything, and if everything's all good, you can now move on. Now it's time for the fun part, uploading your photos. So click on this plus button and then select the photos you want to use. If you haven't uploaded them to Wix yet, simply click on Upload Media and upload them to Wix. Once they're uploaded, they should appear here under your site files. So go ahead and select the images you would like to feature. Then click on Add to Page. Once everything is all good, click on Complete Setup. All right, so Wix will ask you to connect a payment method. So click on Connect Payment. And over here, select your preferred payment methods. You can simply click on Connect and follow the instructions provided on that specific payment method in order to successfully activate it or link it to Wix. Take note, if you'd like to see more options, click here. And you have HitPay, Payment Wall, Online Payments by Sendit, and Dragon Pay. By the way, please take note, depending on the payment method you select, the process of connecting them may differ because they have different sets of instructions on how to connect or activate your payment method. The important thing is that you just have to follow the provided instructions carefully in order to successfully connect your preferred payment methods. Connect as many as you need to. Once you are done, your widget will successfully be updated and you should be able to see your room details over here. So simply repeat the process in order to add more room listings to your site. And that's it. Don't forget to click on Save to save your progress. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.